Hello everyone,
Yes,
my name is Dr. Anton Wardaya. I want to share, please, am I audible and visible?
yes,
Okay, now I want to share my screen first about connection, gifted and talented students with top universities in the world. Yes. Okay, this is about my presentation about connection, gifted and talented students with top universities and in scholarship in the world. And I'm the lecturer at one university, and I'm the one of the staff Ministry of Education Indonesia. And I'm also the entrepreneur, join in Young Entrepreneur Association in Indonesia, and professional too. And this is when I'm invited as speaker in many conference in domestic and international. And this is my trip when was in Cambridge University and Oxford University. This is my students. They are already graduated when they are 26 years old, yeah, in PhD degree, doctoral degree. And this is Samuel is chemistry Olympiad student, Sandy is physics Olympiad student, and Olivia is mathematics Olympiad students. And this is my trip when I was in Imperial College London, University College London, and also because like I graduated from Harvard University. This is when I was in Berkeley University, MIT, Chicago University, and this is university in Canada, Toronto, UC University British Columbia, and also Waterloo University, Alberta, and this is when I was in Australia, in Monash, Melbourne, UNSW, and etc. And I see we can learn from many countries like um like Russia, US, UK, Germany, Japan, and this is the problems in our country because like we have dividend demographic citizen because like our Indonesia is the fourth largest population in the world, like around 270 million people, and 70% is productive age. And the concentration still in Java Island because like Indonesia is archipelago country, like we separate by sea, but the citizen majority live in Java Island. And this is our Ministry Finance Indonesia, Ibu Sri Mulyani said that Indonesia still left behind with mathematics, science, and literacy. So we are from Ministry of Education make many programs to improve our education, and and this is top 10 skill in 2025, analytical thinking, innovation, active learning, also complex problem solving. And also we can see many jobs already replaced by computer, robot, and data science and artificial intelligence is important thing in this era. And this the important thing in our life when we can prepare from senior high school, the student from senior high school go to the universities. If they get the good universities, so they can get a good job, and also how they can become a good entrepreneur too. And this is our profile alumni Wardaya. Francisca Susan already graduated from MIT PhD, and she is in the list for best 30 under 30. Felix Utama from University of Cambridge, Kanaya from University of Oxford, Mutiara from Harvard Business School, and etc. And we know this is the list of the top 20 universities in the world. Okay, sorry. Okay, maybe I want there is translator right here. This is the list of top 20 in the world, like MIT, Imperial College London, also University of Oxford. And we see like NUS, National University of Singapore, and then Nanyang Technological University in Singapore in rank 8 and 15 in the world. And how the good students, gifted and talented students go to the top universities and they can get good knowledge from these universities and come back to Indonesia for building Indonesia. So our government, Ministry of Education, give full scholarships to around 500 students around Indonesia so they can continue their study to the top universities. This is we call Beasiswa Indonesia Maju. Beasiswa is scholarship Indonesia Maju. Yeah, because like 2045 is 100 celebration Indonesia Day. So we want to prepare human resource in Indonesia. So if they have achievement in research and innovation, art and culture, also sport, they can get this scholarship because like they can continue their study at 100 universities in list universities Ministry of Education. And then include Tuimada Olympiad is one of the competition Olympiad that recognized by our Ministry of Education Indonesia. Yeah, because like Tuimada is one of the difficult Olympiad in the world. Yeah, so we can our government recognize as for Olympiad that recognized by Minister of Education. And they can continue their study in the government will cover all the tuition fee until living costs in 100 universities. And they must go back to Indonesia to build Indonesia. This is the list 99 universities in list government. Yeah, so they can continue in many universities. Yeah, include Russia too. Russia, St. Petersburg is one of the our list universities. Yeah, Taiwan, yeah, there is universities too in our list like that. Okay, that this is the students already get from government scholarship, like Maulana. Now he is studying at UC Berkeley. Denzel, this is from another city, Semarang. Denzel from Lampung, now studying at Nanyang Technological Universities. Also Melissa from Batam. She is studying at Nanyang Technological Universities too. And this is the quote from China. Cherish the very few opportunities in our life to strive for our dreams. This is I take the picture when I was there at one school in China. My university is my dream. And there is the symbol or logo of universities that they put in the statue like this. And this is, yeah, this is the building in China. And so the key of success, they must be disciplined students. Okay, maybe this is about my presentation about connection, about gifted and talented students in Indonesia to the top universities, yeah, in the world. Okay, thank you so much.